Hello one and all. Today we learn the other mechanisms of sucrose synthesis regulation. First is feedback inhibition. When sucrose accumulates, it can trigger feedback mechanisms that reduce SPS activity, potentially limiting further sucrose synthesis. Second is sink strength. Sink is nothing but the tissue that uses sucrose for growth and storage also plays a role. If demand is high, SPS activity is stimulated. Conversely, if demand is low or other factors limit growth, SPS activity may be reduced. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.